2021 Nissan Rogue, cabin air filter, pop this little guy off, so swing on, then you gotta pull in on each side of the glove box, and it's super stiff on these. Do that at the same time. Jesus. Yeah, it's not easy to pull these things back so you can pull it down. But once and if you get that far, just pull this little tab out and out. Imagine you're in and out. You're in and out. The sides out that side. By the looks, they're probably definitely gonna need one. Yep. 5 years old. And there we are. And then just reverse that and get it back in. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Till next time.